Yeah, I just wanted to firstly say thank you to everyone. This is so, I think more people than I've ever seen in the office before. So this is so great. Thank you so much for coming and sharing.
The last couple of weeks, I think it's been nice having people coming back into the office more and more. And today it's great to see so many people coming in.
Thank you for the invite. It was good to be here and awesome to see the journey to now, and just an awesome momentous occasion here for this office. But thank you for the invite.
So you've probably all listened to us for long enough now, so we might get the balcony opened up so we can get onto our morning tea. Come on, you've got this. Don't miss cut. Oh.